What exactly did I pack in those 4 carry-ons in my last video? In my last video, I showed you how I packed my 4 carry-ons for a trip to Europe for 8 weeks for 4 people, 2 adults and 2 kids. And today I'd like to share with you what exactly I put into those bags. I will be showing you exactly how many pieces of clothing and all the little details that I packed to make our trip the most enjoyable it can be. So stick around. Let's unpack. The first thing I packed was my toiletries. I used the little toiletry bag that I showed you in one of my other videos. I also am using the TSA approved liquids bag where I have all of our miniature liquids in it. And I packed a few other small bags to keep everything separate. One of them has all of our over-the-counter meds. Another one has all of our prescription meds. So that way it's much easier to find something instead of just having one bag. It's also easier to pack them because they're smaller bags that you can put in different pieces of luggage. The next thing that I will be packing is all the little things that I talked to you about in my last 2 videos about special things to pack for your trip, such as laundry detergent sheets to wash while on vacation, reusable water bottles, and a number of things that you can see in my other videos that will help make your vacation much better. So, moving along. We have 2 little boys, and for the boys we will be carrying 1 week's worth of clothing. We will be carrying 5 t-shirts, 5 pairs of shorts, 1 pair of long pants each, 2 pairs of shoes each, 1 that they will wear on the plane, and also 1 pair of swim trunks, as well as a swim shirt. And I also purchased swim shoes in case of rocky areas on any beaches. So we just want to be prepared. And that's about it for the boys. In this bag, I have all of our underwear, bras, socks, jockeys. 1 week's worth for every person. I also will be packing a few pairs of shoes. Obviously, I'm a girl and I love my shoes. So I probably will be packing 1 or 2 too many. So we shall see. I may not pack all of them when it comes down to it. I also have socks in this bag with 1 pair of shoes. Actually 2 pairs of shoes, I lie. And we will all be wearing tennis shoes on the plane, both my husband and I as well as the boys, because they're big, bulky, and take up a lot of room in your carry-ons, so it's better to wear them on the plane. I also have jackets set aside for all 4 of us to use on the plane if it gets cold, which most airplanes do get a little frigid. Even though we're doing carry-on only, I will have 1 carry-on specifically for things that we will use in the plane that's more easily accessible. So you won't have to worry about trying to get to your bag if you had to put it somewhere a little further away from you in the compartment. And also, it being too, a little more confusing to unpack. So just have everything in 1 bag that you may need on the plane. I will be carrying 2 hard cases by Wrangler, 1 carry-on size backpack, as well as 1 cooler bag for the plane with snacks for the kids. That way you won't be worried about them being hangry, and you'll always have something for them to snack on. I also wanted to mention that I have put aside a travel outfit for each of us. So that will not be packed into the suitcases. So that leaves the 2 adults. For me personally, I have packed 3 pairs of shorts, 2 pairs of thin long pants, about 5 shirts, t-shirts, as well as about 2 dressier t-shirts that can go for either daytime or nighttime. I also have packed 2 dresses. For my husband, I packed 4 short sleeve shirts, 1 long sleeve dress shirt, as well as 1 long pair of pants, and about 4 pairs of shorts. Now, I want to remind you about packing thin materials, especially if you're doing carry-on only. If you're planning on doing laundry while you're away, I purchased washer sheets, laundry detergent sheets. I purchased the portable clothesline to hang up our clothes, and thin materials are definitely the way to go. I think that sums it up. Today I've shown you what to pack. In my last videos, I've showed you how to pack and what special things to pack to make your trip more enjoyable. So definitely make sure to check out those videos if you haven't watched them yet. And I'd love for you to subscribe. So definitely hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments which of my tips and tricks really helped you out the most. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.